Oh, well, hello there. Welcome back
to another episode of Project Reaper.
So I'm Roland, and let's take a look inside of Project Reaper's naturally aspirated LS1. So far, so good. She's looking pretty clean. All the rockers look good. Now it's time to take these heads off because I am going to be breaking this engine down, checking the bearings. Well, that's not good. Can anyone spot the problem there? Yeah, buddy. That's a problem. Well, didn't expect that, but, you know, here we are. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing.